Antes, este es Mr. Señor. This is the notes for the preterite tense ER verbs in the yo and the to form only. Our only goal this week is that you would memorize the verb endings and recognize the verb endings for the yo and the to form of the preterite tense. So that's the one thing we're focusing on this week. The preterite tense, again, is a fancy grammar term for the past tense. We're going to be working on how we say I and you did something in the past. Or, in other words, we're learning the yo and the to forms for the ER verbs in the past tense. Very simple, taking it nice and slow, just to make sure that we get this right this year. The preterite tense endings for yo is e with an accent. It absolutely has to have an accent on it for it to be the past tense. To is iste. So our two examples, we have a couple examples here. Yo comí pan tostado para el desayuno. I ate toast for breakfast. Not bad. So we know it's I ate because of the verb ending. So I have it in purple here, and it corresponds with the past tense. Has an accent on it too. That kind of is a giveaway that this action's happening in the past. Not all the time, but in this case, we know that anything right now that has an accent, any verb, is going to be in the past tense. Here's a question. ¿Qué comiste para el desayuno? And this reads, what did you eat for breakfast? It's in the past tense because iste is the to form of the preterite tense for ER verb. So we know this is in the past tense. Notice that there's no word for do or did here. In Spanish, we just state the verb in the to form. If when we ask a question, ¿Qué comiste is what did you eat? But if I were to translate this, it would be what you eat for breakfast. If you have any questions, you can email me at gmakoski@rwcs.org.